Welcome to HealthyAyurveda.com. I'm Dr. Mike Dhaliwal, Vedic Sage. Today we'll continue to discuss Dhatus, focusing on Rasa Dhatu. As explained by Charaka Samhita, it is food which sustains life, and all living beings in the universe require food for its very existence. Also, please help to support the channel with a like and by subscribing. This lets YouTube know that Ayurveda needs to be broadcasted far and wide. From an Ayurvedic perspective, food contains the 5 primary elements, that being ether, air, fire, water, and earth. The 6 tastes being sweet, sour, salty, pungent, bitter, and astringent. The 2 basic potencies being primarily hot and cold, along with the 20 qualities. And once food is fully digested and absorbed from the gastrointestinal tract, such qualities circulate, nourish, and assimilate into bodily tissue or dhatus. So, in a previous video, it was explained that doshas, vata, pitta, and kapha, are nourished through the process of digestion. For example, during the sweet phase of digestion, kapha is nourished. During the sour phase of digestion, pitta is nourished. And during the pungent phase of digestion, vata is nourished. I mention this because it is dhatus or bodily tissue for which doshas function. So, starting from the point of complete digestion, the primary function of the small intestine is the absorption of nutrients and minerals found in food. Within the lining of the small intestine are villi, microvilli, and lymphatic vessels, which increases the amount of surface area available for the absorption of nutrients. And that which gets absorbed is ahara rasa. Ahara rasa is the sada portion of food, or the excellent nourishing portion of food which has been absorbed from the gastrointestinal tract. Ahara rasa nourishes Rasa Dhatu. Ahara rasa is the poshaka, or the nourisher, to that which is nourished, or poshya. The primary function of Rasa Dhatu is nourishment, as rasa circulates throughout the body and provides nutrients to all bodily tissue. The functions of Rasa Dhatu are tarpana, that which nourishes the body constantly throughout one's entire life; vardhana, that which is responsible for growth and development, especially during childhood and adulthood; dharana, which maintains the body, for example during old age when development and growth are not necessarily required; yapana, which is the maintenance of the body, especially when food is not consumed, for example during times of fasting and even starvation. Rasa Dhatu also provides the function of tusti, which is providing pleasure and satisfaction to the body. Such functions of Rasa Dhatu occur via qualities and special attributes. For example, Rasa Dhatu has the qualities of being drava, which is the liquid; sada, which is the mobile quality of Rasa Dhatu. This allows for fluidity, movement required for circulation. Rasa Dhatu is minute, thin, and subtle, which allows for the circulation of rasa throughout the entire body, even through the small, tiny capillaries, allowing for perfusion to every cell of the body. Rasa Dhatu is cool and unctuous, which is nourishing to the bodily tissue. These qualities of Rasa Dhatu originate from the predominant water element, which resembles the same similar qualities of kapha dosha. Later, we'll see that factors which increase kapha dosha will also increase certain qualities of Rasa Dhatu, which is important in helping to manage certain conditions of Rasa Dhatu. As Rasa Dhatu is formed and circulates throughout the body, Rasa Dhatu also forms accessory tissue or byproducts. The superior byproducts of Rasa Dhatu are the top layer of the skin. Since rasa is predominantly of the water element, it nourishes and hydrates the skin, providing skin with a beautiful complexion. Another superior byproduct of Rasa Dhatu is the formation of breast milk, which is generated after the delivery of a child, which provides complete nutrition and nourishment for the newborn. Another byproduct of Rasa Dhatu is raja, or menstrual blood, or the menses, which is the shedding of the endometrial lining of the uterus, which was created for the nourishment of the potential fertilized egg had fertilization occurred. The inferior byproduct of Rasa Dhatu is kapha dosha in the form of phlegm and or mucus. So being knowledgeable and appreciating such byproducts of Rasa Dhatu allows one to assess the status of rasa, which allows one to determine the management considerations if such imbalance imbalances may arise. The final byproduct of Rasa Dhatu through the process of transformation is the production of precursors for the next succeeding Dhatu, which happens to be Rakta Dhatu, or the hematocrit portion of blood, which also circulates all throughout the body, providing the life-giving function, for example, oxygenation. Oxygenation being cellular respiration, essential for life. Okay guys, this is just an introduction of Rasa Dhatu. In the next video, we'll discuss the signs and symptoms of increased and decreased Rasa Dhatu and discuss certain management considerations in such imbalances. Hope you guys have enjoyed, and until next time, be well.